Live, the morning show from CBS Local 2, where local comes first.
This morning we are catching up with the latest in skincare. In the studio with us from Contour Dermatology and Cosmetic Surgery Center is Dr. Timothy Jochen. Good morning, Dr. Jochen. Thanks for waking up with us.
Good morning. Thanks for having me.
Well, acne is a problem that we have always associated with teens, but more and more young women are experiencing the problem. And to those ladies, I have to say, I hear ya. What's our problem? Is it what we're eating? Is it the makeup we wear?
Well, it's really a combination of things. What happens is our pores get blocked, and so the oil builds up underneath our skin, and bacteria love to live off that oil. And so then the whole mess breaks into the skin, and then you get the inflammation. The good news is that manufacturers are now combining the most effective techniques into one cream. And what that means is it's easier for us to use those creams, and therefore we're going to use them to the point where they're effective, because it takes 6 weeks before we see improvement with our products, because that's how long it takes for skin cells to turn over.
Where would people pick up a product like that?
You'd go to your dermatologist and discuss the most effective treatments for you. So these products are available. They're also putting them in nicer vehicles. That means the cream, gel, or solution formula. And so they're less irritating with their skin. And again, this is important because it's more likely that we're going to use those products and then see the effectiveness of these products.
Now, you just came back from a huge dermatology conference in San Diego. You were saying the biggest in the world. And they haven't just developed new technology in skin creams, but you were saying also with lasers.
Exactly. There was some exciting new stuff that they presented at this conference. Well, it's been around for just a little bit of time, but it's really exploding at the conference. It's an ultrasound technology. And while it's not really a laser, it goes into technology and people get excited about it. But the new ultrasound technologies are helping to shrink up skin and also to melt fat. And while this isn't really the ideal technology yet, it's not that effective, it's still nice for people who don't want to do more invasive procedures where they have to go under surgical techniques or have a lot of downtime. So that's in the works, and hopefully that technology is going to continue to evolve where we have effective treatments without a lot of downtime or a lot of surgical procedure.
And finally, real quick, heading into summer, you said that there is some good news in skin cancer detection.
Yes, dermatologists are now using a device called a dermatoscope, and these are really basically magnifiers. And so we can look at your moles and it helps us to evaluate whether a mole is actually a cancer. And that's great because if we catch cancers early, you catch them before they spread to other areas, so you can actually treat them, and they're not seriously a risk for you.
All right. Thank you so much for joining us this morning, Dr. Jochen.
Thank you.